Greetings folks, this is a quick little tip video regarding Express LRS 4 and using a switch for arming. This was prompted by a question from viewer WROM who was kind of interested in using the Momentary switch on the back of a Zorro for arming Express LRS 4. Like a lot of other people, he needs channel 5 for other uses such as gyro gain on a gyro receiver or something like that. Express LRS 4 frees up channel 5 so that you can change to using a switch for arming. You're not restricted to using channel 5 high while you're flying. I've upgraded this Beta FPV RF module to ELRS 4 and this Radio Master RP1. So if you look at the Express LRS 4 release page here, released by the wonderful Captain Bry on February the 7th. This is the first stable release. Things to note are that Express LRS 4 is not compatible with 3, 2 or 1 versions, so if you update your transmitter you're going to have to update all of your receivers as well. There are some receivers and some gear that it's not compatible with, so you'll need to read that. There's a new ELRS Lure script that you have to download and replace the version 3 Lure script. This new ELRS.Lure script works with versions back to version 2, so that's all very good. Now Express LRS 4 introduces a few very nice new features. Automatic antenna modes will be very good. You don't have to choose what sort of antenna mode you're going to use, like the antenna 1, antenna 2 or Gemini mode. It will automatically work that out for you, which is very good. And here's the optional alternative arming method that we're interested in. It does require STKY 211.0 or higher, so you may need to update your transmitter to STKY 211. But here's the important bit. In the model setup with the new Express LRS, you will get this option here, arm using either channel 5 or switch, and when you choose switch you get to choose which switch you use to arm as well. This is the color screen. I'll be showing you the black and white screen, which is a little bit different on the Zorro. And we get a few other things. We can extend the PWM range, better dynamic power, a new web user interface, improved telemetry bandwidth, etc, etc. But that's the one we're interested in, the alternative arming. So let's go and show you how to do it on the Zorro. And the switch we're going to be using is this G switch here. That's a Momentary switch. We need to be able to operate that as a push-on, push-off switch for arming. So to do that, we'll need to set up a logical switch. So let's scoot across to the logical switch, because you have to do that first before it's available to choose as a switch. So setting up a new logical switch, L01. The function we choose is sticky. With the sticky function, the V1 input will turn the logical switch on, and I'll just push the SG switch. And it'll stay on, that's the sticky part of it, until you do whatever V2 is, and we'll push again on the SG switch. So now the first push of the SG button will turn logical switch 1 on, and the second push will turn it off. I'll push it now, and you can see that goes to thick font, which means it's on. Push again, and it's off. I also have voice callouts, which I will show you how to do that as well. And we'll go over to special functions, and we have a new special function. Choose L01 as the switch to operate the special function. Play track, armed and tick. So now when you turn logical switch 1 on, it will say armed, and the second special function is to say disarmed, and for that we choose L01 again, but if you push and hold then you get the chance to invert that. So when L01 is off, it will activate this special function, and again play track, and the track is disarm and tick, and that will work now. So now our armed and disarmed callouts are working, and we have L01 to use for arming the Express LRS. Alright, so we'll go back to model setup, over to the model. Now I'm using the external RF module on this one, so you can see we're doing our setup on the external RF module. Mode is crossfire, baud rate to 921, and here we can go arm using channel 5. That's the usual old-fashioned LRS arming. We click the scroll wheel, that changes it to switch, and we get to choose which switch we arm with, and we choose the L01. So just recapping, the SG Momentary switch is now operating logical switch 1 via the sticky function. Push to arm, push to disarm. And in the model setup, we've changed from arm using channel 5 to arm using a switch, and choosing the switch, logical switch 1. And for the audio callouts, we've also used logical switch 1 to play the track armed, and the inverse of logical switch 1 to play the track disarmed. And there you go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.